Hi friends, Paul here with another epic window AC do-it-yourself tip. Someone was recently suggesting on the comments section of another video that I use foil bubble insulation in this area in the gaps of these cheap accordion panels. They don't really give any much thermal insulation at all. So I've just got some packing foam here that came in a guitar I ordered recently, very thin stuff, but I think that's really all I need, is just to have some form of foam thermal insulation, and I'm going to fix that with aluminum foil on top of that. I've used weather seal tape on the actual window frame here and the AC. I did a previous video on that, Frost King weather seal tape, but for right now I'm just going to fix this with some clear packing tape. Okay. Very easy application, friends, as the aluminum foil bends to the contour in those partition sliders here. And I've taped off the edges around there on both sides, again, with that thin foam insulating layer on the back side of that, and then the accordion panel against that. So hopefully on these 90-degree days, it's actually 95 today, even doing this brief video for you guys, man, my apartment is getting pretty warm. So cranking up the 6000 BTU LG here on economy mode. Actually, you know what? Let's bring this down to something more manageable. Post your comments below if you enjoy my do-it-yourself window AC tips. Thanks for tuning in. Stay cool. I look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments section. And as always, thanks for commenting, because some of my most epic videos are coming from what you guys have to suggest. So thank you. Stay cool, friends.